Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a TRIBIT AquaEase Shower Bluetooth waterproof speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it is not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's not responding, etc., a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you do decide you want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a highly rated, good priced speaker. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting it up on a new device or something and you just want to wipe all of the previous pairing history on it so you can set it up new. It's super easy to do. With it turned on, all you need to do is come in and press and hold the volume down and the volume up, or the minus and the plus symbol, whatever you want to call it, buttons. Hold these two buttons for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it will cause this speaker to reset to its factory default settings, at which point you can pair it with a device like you're setting it up for the first time coming out of the box.